Today, Disney released the first trailer of Moana 2, the highly anticipated sequel to the 2016 animated hit. Auli'i is returning as the voice of Moana, while Dwayne is again voicing Moana. While the trailer does not give out much about the plot, it gives a peek into the fun and action-packed. In the second chapter, it shows Moana setting off for another adventure at the sea after discovering his call from her ancestors to sail new seas and reconnect our people across the entire ocean. It's a universe Moana and maybe 3 years later for an expensive new voyage alongside a crew or unlikely seafarers. The visual shows off gorgeous water animation, including a stunning shot of the Moana floating in front of a whale shark. The clip also shows Moana's rooster, Hei and pig Pua. But at the same time, Pua seems to be joining Moana's on the journey. It seems to be a well-decided move by the makers after some fans questioned the decision to have the pet stay behind in the original film. In the end of the teaser, Moai arrives on Moana's boat, and in the reference to the plot of the first movie, question her, why didn't you bring the pig last time? The ocean is calling them back. Experience the new trailer for Disney's Moana 2 in the theater on November 27, 2024.